Assalamualaikum. I am Arina Longir. My ID is 181352398. My presentation topic is acceptance testing, alpha and beta testing. So today let us discuss about acceptance testing. Testing, as we all see the term accept, which means yes or which means to agree. What does this mean? But what is this testing? Let us get into this, as we are know that we get requirement from our client and our company will develop software for a particular client. Once we develop our software, we have a system testing team in our company who will ensure that the software developed by us will work perfectly as per the requirement given by the plant. So this is the most important step and bottleneck of any software development life cycle, because this is the last phase of testing. Once we ensure that the client of the company software that is development in perfect and works fine, then a very next phase here is called acceptance testing, where we can have some of developers involved in this testing. Some of our testers will involve, as well as our client will be involved in this acceptance testing. He is the one who is going to accept our software here. So after the until here we have changed to correct our code in case of any defects. But once we ensure that that this is working fine, once this step is passed here as the client in involved, we should be very sure of this step, and we should make sure that we have our software ready per our client requirement in this acceptance testing. We call our client, the customer said. Again, we have our acceptance testing in of two types, alpha and beta test. In case of alpha test, what happens is we get a requirement from our client directly. In case of project based companies, we have different clients. Each client will give us requirement. We develop a software and our responsibility is to deliver that software to over client. So alpha test is nothing but after our system testing is done, we call our client to our company. We call some of our client to company, a company, and will give a demo of our software. So once the client thinks our software meets his requirement, as he is the one who has given requirement, he will get better understanding of our software and he will see that the software developed is as per his requirement and he will accept our software. Here is case of product based company. Our alpha testing is done. On project based companies, in case of product based companies, where in there will not be any client, in product based company will look into the overall market requirement and they will find out that there is a demand for some software, and then They will invest their time and money to develop that software, and once the software is realized, the cycle is same it until system is testing. So they will perform testing, and once the testing phase and passed uh, in this acceptance testing, they don't have any client to call. But what they do, for example, if we develop a software for a bank, we get beta version beta version, that is called beta testing. Beta testing. So some of the banks and will collect the feedback from the banks directly. So this alpha testing is done in case of project based companies, where in we call clients to other customers, some in developer side, where in beta test where in beta test we give our software to their banks or to their customer directly and collect the feedback. So as I have written here, alpha test, we give me call our customers to develop a site, whereas beta testing is done and model customer site, and it customer like our beta version, he will buy license, um, purchase license from our company. Acceptance testing is the most important step in software development. Uh, mm, Software development life cycle. After system testing is done and after our error, software passes the system testing phase, the very next step is to call our clients. Some of our developers and testers and project manager will be involved in this step. Everybody sit together, and in case of project based software, what happens in the client will be called to developer side, and he will look into the software and he will see if software works as per requirement, and if it is yes, then he will accept our software, after which the software will be realized officially. And in case acceptance testing there and change, the negotiation will go on between our company and the plank. And whereas in product based companies, after RB steps, after we complete our system testing page, we realized beta version or trial version to our client, which who are also called as model customers. We go to their site and we install our software. Thank you.